Welcome back to today's more report on Tuesday, the 12th of April, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at cable. Again, we've had this little bit of a rebound on cable. Will it actually gain any sort of traction to the upside and build a sort of a meaningful recovery? I still don't think so. I think rallies are still seen as a chance to sell. You've got just on the longer term basis, you've still got this sort of underside of the old downtrend channel still acting as the basis of resistance, and that's come in over the past couple of months really. And the rally, I think, is just pulling up from this 140.50 support, which ultimately I think is going to get retested. I think this is going to be a near-term rally. Stochastics have turned up, which is positive, obviously, to reflect this improvement. But how much further is this move going to go? You could argue this is the hourly chart. There's a base pattern there. On a conservative basis, you'd go sort of 40.50 up to 41.70, which is the breakout. Measure that high as 42.90. Pretty much seen that yesterday, 42.85. You could go a little bit higher than that with if you went on an aggressive upside recovery target, you'd add another sort of 40 ticks on that. And that would give you obviously 43.30, and that would take you into this sort of pivot band here. So they might get a bit of upside towards that pivot band of 43.20. But I am always mindful that bear market rallies tend to undershoot their upside targets, and it seems to be that now you're sort of seeing the rallies sort of probably sort of falling over at lower levels again. Now the momentum is fairly positive with this move on the hourly chart. So you'd still say near term it's a backable rally, but as to exactly how much further upside potential it has remains to be seen. As I said, I don't think it's got too much more. I think I'm sort of expecting the next lower high to come sort of between that 42.85 level, maybe up towards 43.20, but at that sort of level I'd be looking for probably the market rolling over again, and because I'm still sort of pushing towards a test of this 40.50 level once again. You've seen the momentum indicators just unwind again, and I think it's likely just to be seen as another chance to sell. But for now, near term, I think you're sort of going with rally. It's up sort of 30 ticks on the day, 35 ticks, and it's relatively positive. But as I said, I think it's a near-term move within the sort of bear phase that's sort of more dominating in this chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. I'd watch out for the inflation data. That's 9:30, so it could certainly have an impact. But I wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later.